Alright, y'all, I'm outside this morning. It's 7 a.m. So I'm going to set the camera down here and I'll show you what I'm doing. So I'm getting ready to go out with Joey again to the area where we found footprints a couple times, and we had the little thing come in and circle around and oscillate and vibrate around us when I was playing the 68 hertz. So I got a couple things here that I'm getting ready to do an experiment when we go back out there. So I bought some of these light sticks. And it says they last 24 hours. So I'm going to check it out. And I just opened it just to check and see, because it showed they had a little hook thing here. Alright. There we go. Alright, so it said these are really bright. And it said they last for 24 hours. Now on the package it says 12 hours plus. So I'm going to see if I can do an experiment with these. So I want to make sure how long it lasts. Alright, so it's 7 a.m. So I'm going to set this up out here. Rain, you can't get to it. And we'll see how long it lasts. And then I also got some tape. This is a glow in the dark tape. Alright, so also what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of this, and once the sun gets up I'm going to set this where it'll be in the sun. And then tonight when it gets dark I'll check it and see how bright it is and make sure it's working right. And then also I want to see how long it lasts. I want to see if it'll last all night. Alright, so I'm just going to cut me a small piece of this, probably around 6 inches long. Alright, so I'm also going to I'm going to set this up here on the fence. Alright, so those are sitting up there. Alright, so I just set them up here for right now. So once the sun comes on up, I'll get that tape and put it in the sun, and we'll see how it does. I want to see how long it lasts and how bright it gets and all. And I'm going to use some of these in an experiment. I want to see if we catch any kind of orbs or anything comes in, or any kind of creatures or beings come in close to these to check them out. So we'll do that. It's also something else I realized too. I was getting my game cameras set up. I got the batteries, new batteries in them. I got the memory card in it and got it formatted. So I was going through the menu. So I realized on these, as I was going through the menu, when I went out with Chris Connor earlier this year and we did the tent experiments where we set up the mock tent site. So when I set the date on this one, and then I had the tree fall over there, or the tree pulled over in front of it. So when I brought the camera home and was checking the memory card, it had 2024 on it. So I was going through it now and setting the date and time and everything, I realized what it was, what happened. So when you go on here, the date and time, see right now it's set. So I realized if I didn't go all the way through and hit exit, I realized that it would change the date back to 2023 or 2024. This camera did 2024 and the other camera did 2023. So now I'll go on here and make sure I got the date set, make sure I go all the way through that and got the date set right. So these are really good game cameras right here. And I keep saying, if you're not using a game camera in your Bigfoot research, you really need to be. Because these game cameras are going to give you a lot of information about the area, about the animals in it, about people, if there's any people coming through it. It's going to give you a lot of information. You might catch orbs or something else on there, UFOs. I've caught some UFOs on them. I've caught orbs on them, a lot of orbs. I've caught a Bigfoot on there during the night, Sasquatch, real early in the morning. He was cloaked. So I've caught a lot of things like that. So the game cameras will give you a lot of information. Alright, so I'm out here early in the morning just checking some stuff and getting ready here. Getting ready to do some more experiments out there in the woods with Joey. Alright, so it's been over 13 hours. So I'll come out here to check these. So the light's still good. It's still, the glow light is still glowing good. But the tape, and I just left the tape up here, so it wasn't actually right in the sunlight all day. So I decided just to leave it there just to see, with it being outside here. A little of it's here on this end is trying to glow a little. So I'm going to leave them there, and I'm going to try to remember to come out in the morning and check the glow stick. So I'm going to try to remember to come out in the morning and check the glow stick and see if it actually stays lit for 24 hours. And then the tape here, I think I'm going to wonder if I might work with it. I'm going to try it a little bit more and put it right in the sunlight itself. And I'm wondering if I use it with the glow stick, maybe that'll help. I'll see. I'm going to experiment with the tape a little more. So I'm going to check out the glow stick in the morning, see if it's still lit. Alright, I had to get up and let Chloe out about 3:30 this morning. So I looked out here and the glow stick was still glowing pretty good. So it looks like it's just now starting to fade away. So that's good. That'll do what I wanted it to do. So it'll last all night. The tape there, it looks like it's kind of glowing a little. It didn't look like it was glowing any when I checked on it during the night, but I'll experiment with that tape a little bit more and see how it does. So the glow stick did work 24 hours. So that's good. It'll do what I want it to for my experiment. Alright. So check this out. I thought that was done. I thought that was done and dead after I looked at it yesterday morning out there in the light after it got daylight, and I was going to throw it away. But look, when I come out this morning, it's still glowing a little. It's still glowing a little bit. So this has lasted almost 48 hours now. About another hour would be 48 hours. So this lasted 47 hours now. So this will last 2 nights then for my experiment. So that's pretty cool. It's been 47 hours and it's still lit. So they said 24 hours, but that's really good.